Hi there. I want to talk about the Sea-Doo Supercharger and a common failure. First one I want to show you is that you can see the blade is offset, as well as it's stuck, completely stuck. Then if you look into the boost side of the supercharger, there's a lot of aluminium powder coming out of it. So when you turn the supercharger around, you can see that the shaft is actually offset, and immediately we notice that the bottom bearing of the supercharger has failed, and resulting in the shaft being jammed to the side, ruining the housing space for the bearing where it gets pressed in. So because the shaft was stuck, the gear kept on turning on the friction washers. The friction washers turned blue, and if you continue using it like this for a prolonged time, this shaft will snap and or get caught and fall into your motor, ruining your motor. This supercharger is, by the way, ruined. So this is the most common failure that we have found. The bearing collapsing on the gear side. This is the bearing also that takes the most load. So we have found this many times. This particular supercharger is 10 years old. It has not reached its 100-hour service limit yet, and we must remember that Sea-Doo recommends 100 hours or 2 years, whichever comes first. RedRockat out for now.